So guys, I buy this chocolate. Look, my chocolate have a species. It's literally like interesting, bro. It looks like a nab, bro. Look at my nab. Look at these. Look at this. This is really like beautiful. So I'm gonna post a picture of this, and till you see the real version of this mini chocolate Taba species on Ayajo Elementary School. On the second star, you'll see in there, in the second in the any store you pick, there is a green store that has small dumpling. So I didn't buy dumpling cause it's even though it's 15, then my money is 20 cause the 5 pesos is I'll save it there. And this is 15 too. So I didn't buy the dumpling because I don't want the dumpling. I just want the Taba species like a normal species. So bye.